Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to stop all ads on your Android device for free. So I'll be teaching you both on the Android device and on the iOS device. So let's just get this issue solved. You don't like seeing ads on your mobile device, both iOS and Android. This is the right video for you. So I'll be taking you through all the steps to solve it. So first off, I'll be starting with my Android device here. And the next part of this video will be about the iOS device. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel without making much talk. So let's go ahead to it. So go ahead to open your settings. So this is a Redmi device. If you're using other devices, it's the same process you have to follow. Then here in your settings, you're going to locate what they call more connectivity options. You go ahead to tap on more connectivity options, and you will see this part where you have your private DNS or private DNS. So go ahead to click on your private DNS. And it's either three options. You see off, auto, and private DNS host name. So whatsoever. So I have to click on my private DNS provider host name, and I have to set a common custom name to these. That is dns.adguard.com. So once you are done typing dns.adguard.com, you go ahead to click on save. This will block all ads you find on your websites and most apps that you actually use that ads just come in, annoying ads. So let's leave this part now and go to the next part of the video. This part is for this section of the video is for Android users. So if this works for you, like and subscribe. The next part is the iOS device. So once you're done, click on save. So without wasting much time, if you want to block all ads on your device, just go ahead to your Chrome application here, and what you have to do is to search here for AdGuard install iOS. I'm going to click here on enter and click on the first website you find here. Click on the first website you find here. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to scroll down to this part. So I'm going to go to my option 2. I'm going to try to expand my option 2. Then go ahead to click on the iOS part. I'm just going to scroll down to download configuration profile. I'm going to click on download configuration profile, and I'm going to say available. I'm clicking on continue, and I'm going to see this is going to download this. I'm going to click allow, so you can see this profile downloaded. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on close. I'm going to throw this away and go ahead to open my settings on my iOS. Click here on shut down to your settings. Just scroll. You can see the profile downloaded is shown there, or just scroll down straight to your general. So I'm going to click here on general. Next I'm going to do is to scroll down to locate my VPN and device management. So you can find the downloaded profile AdGuard DNS. I'm going to click on AdGuard DNS. I'm going to try to install this. So click on install here. I'm going to enter your passcode. So let me just enter my passcode here. I'm going to say that you are going to click here again on install. So install here. So I'm going to click on is installed. I'm going to click on my tick sign there. And next thing for me to do is to switch up. So go back and try to locate the VPN. Then what you have to do here is to click here on DNS and make sure it is here on your AdGuard.DNS. Automatic means it's going to display video. So if you want it to display video, you can come at any time here to make it display video. But for here, put it on AdGuard.DNS and it's going to block all ads on your iOS device. So if you found this video very useful, share this video and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.